And the race on Diamond Quest, Senior Elijah, Living the Lights from the outside, Easter Hope, alongside Speed Bullet Subterranean, Hadjo is racing by the Real Friendly Fire Sing Melody, and Precious Metal is running at the tail of the field, Living the Lights, Subterranean, Senior Elijah, Easter Hope, Speed Bullet, Diamond Quest racing 6 by Darrell as they race the last 450. Living the Light, Senor Elijah, Easter of Subterranean, Diamond Quest sneaking down on the inside alongside Speed Bullet as they race the final corner. Living the Light, Senor Elijah, Diamond Quest is lifting down on the inside, Easter of Friendly Fire. And nearing the finish line, Living the Lights, Diamond Quest is running by the Friendly Fire. And finally, Living the Lights, Diamond Quest, Friendly Fire, Subterranean, and Senor Elijah for your Fantafecta.